drives me crazy.
Don't do it, Kevin. Don't do it. I will leave the game. Even if you touch it.
Ah!
Wait.
Why are they already shooting?
Wait. Shh.
Get down.
Since Steven made it all the way the fuck through, basically, and on a turtle time, and I got sniped first, I went first time. Which would be like...
I'm not fucking going first. That's bullshit.
Okay, let's go this way.
I'm going back to Mexico.
Here it comes.
6 seconds.
Holy
fuck.
shit.
What is that?
Look at this crawler. It's glitched in the map. It's glitched right here. Look at it.
buddy.
Hey, look at him.
Oh.
Whoa.
Oh my god.
Wait.
Get back here. Trojan, get back here. Kevin and I are actually waiting patiently.
I'm dead.
Alright, let's do this.
Kevin, that's ReUp's body. Stop it. Kevin. Ow.
Try to make owl noises.
Wait, what noises are you trying to make?
Owl?
Owls go who?
Ho.
How the hell is that an owl?
Unplug your mic, Dino. Seriously, I don't need to hear Steven.
You wanna what?
Unplug your mic. It's pissing me off.
It's starting to sound a little bit like an owl.
Please tell me what you're doing to make that sound. Here, watch me. Here you go.
You guys not join back.
What the fuck? I'm back up.
You're amazing. So you do it again.
Is that not?
He's breathing into the mic as hard as he can. He's gonna pass
What?
out.
What are you doing to make that noise?
That's
I
why I
have
pay
to
my
pay it for a year. They just charged me $15 for it.
Yeah. Like, I pay $15 a year for PowerUp Premium. I get the Game Informer, I get...
Dang it.
No, you're not.
Where are you?
Holy shit.